Most people chase exciting business ideas. AI apps, crypto projects, viral products, trendy online stores, and whatever is getting attention this month. But some of the most reliable cash flow businesses are not exciting at all. They are boring. They clean things, rent things, fix things, store things, or save people time. And that is exactly why they can work. Today, we're looking at 20 boring businesses that can make money while you sleep, if you build the right systems. Before we begin, understand this clearly. These businesses are not magic. They are not fully passive on day one. You need setup, customers, equipment, maintenance, marketing, and sometimes licenses. But once a boring business has systems, repeat customers, or assets that work without you every minute, it can start producing income even when you are not actively working. That is the real goal, not instant money, but system-based cash flow. Business number 1 is a laundromat. It may not sound exciting, but people always need clean clothes. A laundromat can make money from washers, dryers, vending machines, soap, folding services, or pickup and delivery. The attraction is simple, machines do the main work. But the business still needs location, maintenance, security, cleaning, and good customer experience. A laundromat works best when it is clean, reliable, and convenient. Business number 2 is vending machines. Vending machines can sell snacks, drinks, healthy items, coffee, or small daily use products. The basic idea is simple. Place machines where people already walk, wait, work, or study. Offices, gyms, schools, warehouses, apartment buildings, and waiting rooms can all be possible locations. But the hard part is not buying the machine. The hard part is finding good locations and keeping the machine stocked. Business number 3 is a self-service car wash. This is boring, but powerful because many people want a clean car without booking an appointment. A self-service or automatic car wash can earn money when customers drive in, pay, wash, and leave. The owner does not wash every car by hand. But the business still needs water systems, maintenance, payment machines, soap, repairs, and a good location with traffic. Convenience is the business. Business number 4 is storage units. People always need space. They move, downsize, run small businesses, store furniture, keep seasonal items, or need temporary storage. A storage business can create recurring monthly income because customers pay to keep their items safe. But this business depends heavily on location, security, property costs, insurance, and management. It is boring because nothing dramatic happens. And that is the point. Business number 5 is ATM machines. An ATM business can earn fees when people withdraw cash from your machine. The machine can sit inside convenience stores, bars, gas stations, hotels, or busy local shops. But this is not as simple as dropping a machine anywhere. You need location agreements, cash loading, security, compliance, and maintenance. If done correctly, the machine works even when you are not standing beside it. Business number 6 is parking space rental. In busy areas, parking is a real problem. If someone owns extra parking spaces, a small lot, or access near offices, events, airports, apartments, or downtown areas, that space can become income. People pay for convenience. This can be very simple when handled with online booking, signs, permits, and clear rules. The asset is not exciting. It is just space. But useful space can be valuable. Business number 7 is equipment rental. Many people need tools, machines, cameras, chairs, tables, pressure washers, carpet cleaners, or party equipment, but only for a short time. They don't want to buy it. They just want to rent it. This business works when you own useful equipment, maintain it well, and rent it repeatedly. The same tool can earn income many times if managed correctly. Business number 8 is dumpster rental. This is not glamorous at all, but construction sites, home cleanouts, renovations, and businesses often need dumpsters. If you own or coordinate dumpsters, you can rent them for specific jobs and charge based on size, time, and pickup. The business depends on logistics, trucks, waste rules, and reliable scheduling. It is dirty, boring, and practical. And practical businesses often have real demand. Business number 9 is portable restroom rental. Nobody brags about this business at a party, but outdoor events, construction sites, festivals, sports fields, and temporary work sites need restrooms. That need does not disappear because the business sounds boring. The key is delivery, cleaning schedules, service quality, and contracts. It may not be beautiful, but it solves a necessary problem. And necessary problems can create steady income. Business number 10 is ice or water vending. In some areas, people regularly buy clean drinking water or bags of ice. A self-service water or ice machine can earn money from repeat local demand. This can work near apartments, neighborhoods, convenience stores, beaches, parks, or high-traffic areas. Again, the machine does not remove all work. You still need maintenance, cleanliness, permits, and a strong location. But the machine can sell without you standing there all day. Business number 11 is commercial cleaning. This is one of the most boring businesses in the world. And that is why it can be strong. Offices, clinics, gyms, warehouses, shops, and small buildings need regular cleaning. The real power is recurring contracts. If a business pays every week or every month, you are not hunting for a brand new customer every day. You are building predictable income. Business number 12 is lawn care. Grass keeps growing. Leaves keep falling. Bushes keep needing trimming. That is why lawn care can create recurring local income. A simple route of weekly or bi-weekly customers can become a cash flow machine. It can start small with basic equipment, then grow into a team, route system, and seasonal services. The business is simple. The money comes from consistency. Business number 13 is pool cleaning. In areas where many homes have pools, people need regular cleaning, chemical checks, and maintenance. This business can work well because customers often need repeat service. The pool does not clean itself, and many homeowners prefer paying someone reliable instead of doing it themselves. The key is trust, scheduling, quality, and showing up consistently. Boring service plus recurring demand can become real cash flow. Business number 14 is pest control. This one may require training, licenses, and safety knowledge depending on the area. But it can create repeat customers because pests come back, seasons change, and homes and businesses want protection. The valuable part is recurring service agreements. People pay for prevention, not just emergencies. If you build a reliable pest control route, it can become a serious local business. Business number 15 is trash bin cleaning. Most people never think about it. But garbage bins get dirty, smell bad, and attract bugs. A trash bin cleaning service uses special equipment to wash and sanitize bins on a schedule. Customers can pay monthly or quarterly. This business is boring, simple, and local, but it solves an annoying problem people would rather not handle themselves. That is a business opportunity. Business number 16 is window cleaning. Homes, offices, shops, restaurants, and buildings all need clean windows. It is not exciting, but it is visible. A business owner with dirty windows may lose trust before a customer even enters the store. Window cleaning can be sold as recurring service, especially to commercial locations. Simple service. Clear result. Repeat customers. That is the boring business formula. Business number 17 is bookkeeping. Many small business owners hate organizing numbers. They need invoices, expenses, reports, receipts, and monthly books handled correctly. If you learn bookkeeping and use software well, you can offer monthly services. This is not passive in the beginning, but retainers can make income more predictable. The boring work of tracking numbers can become valuable because it saves business owners stress and time. Business number 18 is website maintenance. Many small businesses already have websites, but they don't want to update them. They need backups, small edits, security checks, new photos, menu updates, blog uploads, or simple landing pages. You can turn this into a monthly service. It is not about building the fanciest website in the world. It is about helping normal businesses keep their online presence working. Business number 19 is digital templates. Templates are boring, but useful. Budget templates, invoice templates, business trackers, meal planners, resume templates, Notion dashboards, Excel sheets, and checklists can all be sold online. The good part is that one template can be sold many times. But the template must solve a clear problem. Digital products do not sell because they exist. They sell because they save time or reduce confusion. Business number 20 is a niche lead generation website. This is when you create a simple website around one local service, like roof repair, cleaning, lawn care, moving help, or plumbing. If the site gets traffic and people request quotes, Those leads can be sold or passed to local businesses. This takes time, SEO, trust, and quality content. But once ranked, a useful website can send leads while you sleep. Now let's be real. The business idea is not the magic. Execution is the magic. A laundromat can fail. A vending machine can fail. A cleaning business can fail. A digital product can fail. What matters is location, demand, pricing, customer service, consistency, systems, and patience. Boring businesses are not easy. They are just simple to understand. And simple to understand does not mean simple to win. So remember this. Boring businesses can be powerful because they solve ordinary problems that never disappear. People need clean clothes, clean cars, storage, tools, cleaning, maintenance, space, and help. The money is not always in what looks exciting. Sometimes the money is in what people quietly need every single week. So if you had to start one boring business, which one would you choose first? Comment your answer below.